Hey, Ken.
Hey, Cal, how you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Not too bad, hanging in there. So how's it working out after the training on your new machine there?
Really good. Really good. I got two jobs through it. Got the long hole figured out that I was really worried about. And it's just running phenomenal. Got it finally dialed in and happy.
Good to hear it. So you were sent me a little email about there a text actually on the part that you were doing and you moved over to that machine.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a part that the business has done for 15 years. We've got a high volume on it. And it used to take four machines and about 10 minutes of actual machine processing time, with more time in between machines and inspections. Uh, we ran a job of 250 of them the other day, and all said and done complete, it was a minute and 6 seconds. So um, it was 1,000% improvement.
Holy mackerel, that's great. Glad to hear
Yeah,
it. Man,
yeah.
that puts some enough money in your pocket for another machine, huh?
That's the plan. That's the plan. I just need some. I need some real estate now. You've been up here. It's tight.
Yep, yep, yep.
I purchased the shop in November of 21. I was not working here before. I was working as a project engineer at a different company. This has always been a hobby for me, big interest. Did a little bit on the side, a little machining in my garage, and I always wanted to do something myself, own my own business, and this one just came across, looked great. I came up, looked at the shop, and the rest is history. So owned it for just over a year now, and it's going great.
Good to hear. So your plan is to slowly replace some of the older equipment, right?
Correct. Correct. When you were here, you said it perfectly. Expand is about one and done, and that's where I need to be. That's to stay competitive, um, and afford those next machines.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. Good to hear it. Yeah, we also believe that if you don't make money, we don't make money. So we got to be in your back pocket there.
Yeah, yeah, no, and I truly appreciate it. I've been nothing but impressed so far.
Well, thank you very much. Yeah, we try.